Hey guys, just looking at a ninebot scooter at the moment, and yeah, I had this grinding noise coming from the front wheel. I bought one of these testers over here and connected it all up, and saw that my green hall sensor wasn't working. I'm about to solder the green hall sensor, and this should fix the problem. So if you look over here, the hall sensor is just inside there. You have to smash that out and clean up the place where the hall sensor goes out, and then the new one can just slide in. And then you solder just over the top here, rather than pull it all off, because then you've got to pull all the rest out. So if you just put your insulation back on your hall sensor that came off the original, and then just solder each one of these, and then put it back on a tester, and should be good to go. No more grinding. Cheers.